So why should someone work for SACC?
Oh, because it's the best job in the world, honestly. So you have an opportunity to work with a diverse group of people. Because of the things that we cover with our motifs, we're allowed to have an open curriculum. So it gives you an opportunity to really do your own research and bring to the table what interests you, but it also allows you to learn how to figure out what the families and what your children want to do. So, you know, it's a whole learning experience every day.
It's kind of described as bone digging. So see, they're kind of looking at the different things that come up. We have all kinds of bones.
We found a rodent,
pieces of a rodent. So it
that's a rodent
gives
skull.
children an opportunity to really explore and go through the learning process of what happens with owls and that aspect. Since it's class ecology, it's a very hands-on learning process for them.
We do cooking, but you can smell it here. We're cooking today. Make cakes, different foods, a thing called American Masala. We have a lot of different games that we play with them. And the kids come in with some games that they like their own. And we just enjoy working with them. It's been great working with the kids with the SACC program. It's just fun working with them because they teach me new things. And it keeps me young. It keeps me very young.
My name is Elijah, and I love working for SACC. It gives us more of an opportunity to interact with the children.
Hi, my name is Matt Rice, and I've been working for SACC for about 2 years now. Here I'm at Kilmer Middle School, working with special needs children.
And they showed this one toddler who was maybe...
Yeah, I have.
I don't need a net. You see tons of fishes. What are you talking about? Get up. You. What are you doing? This is a fish.
I enjoy having kids like to come to a program knowing that they're going to have fun. I love my job. I love what I do. I don't think I would do anything else.
You guys can come on in. Take a look around and see some of the art that's on display. It's done by the kids and staff.
Young inventors, scholars, and athletes. SACC is a rewarding place to work because you can mold and help to create minds, build strong relationships, and all those types of things for children.
Right, the summer they develop every year for all the students. It used to be Sandy Small Colors. I've been working with SACC since August of 1990, so next month will be 18 years, and it's an excellent, well-rounded program.
The kids are great, the staff is wonderful, everyone knows everybody, and they're just a lot of fun to work with, and it's just a good time.
Professionally, I'm learning more. Every opportunity that comes up, I can now paint where I couldn't paint before. I'm really starting to get into my passions of woodworking more, and I can actually do it with the children, and they get me motivated to do more and more. It's the best. You know, every day is a new day, and you never know quite what's coming, but every day always is a good day in SACC.